Once you understand this one simple truth about women.
Good day guys, so today we're going to talk about this video and I will tie another video with this, you can watch it, where a young girl is saying about chasing women and does women respect men chasing women and things like that. You know, the core of the reason is very simple, and a lot of these online gurus shed their wisdom about relations and love life and all these things. Often they miss the core of the topic they are trying to explain. So it's very simple. Women will always exercise their whatever they have, that is their beauty, predominantly their beauty. So they will try to get the maximum out of their beauty, and they will always try to test men. They will pull off their attention to know that you care or not. So that is the main thing. If you don't care, you don't care. But most men care. Why? Because most men want to be with that woman. The core of that reason is because men lack self-love and self-respect. For men, it is very essential to have that self-love and self-respect. Most men lack that. And most men are boys because they don't have the real life experience. They just go by the beauty, and when they see that, they cannot resist. And they don't know life. They don't know the importance of peace of mind and a drama-free life. So they will chase women, they will chase validation of this woman, and yeah, in that process they lose themselves. So it is very important to have that self-love and self-respect that usually women have. Women love themselves and that shows in their life. That is why women have that upper hand in relationship, because men lack that. So it is very important for men to have that. That is the main thing, and men doesn't know. Men becomes men after a certain age. After understanding this, if you have self-love and self-respect, you will win over any woman, any woman. You will not tolerate any drama, any acting, any shit show. We call it shit test of woman, which is basically a test which women do subconsciously, because women try to know your level of interest in her. So it is about your peace of mind. You have to prioritize yourself. When you prioritize yourself, the world prioritizes you. If you don't prioritize yourself, nobody will prioritize you, and everybody will take advantage of you. And if you listen to all these advices, how to win over women, how to play the tricks and all these things, you doesn't need to play any tricks or all these things. You just be genuine and love yourself and prioritize yourself. And when you meet a woman, tell that I prioritize my peace of mind, and about that I don't have nothing, and that's it. So when you prioritize yourself, a woman can see that you are prioritizing yourself. And yeah, if she likes, she will be with you. If she doesn't like, she can have her life. It not only applies to women, it applies to any aspects and situations in your life. Take it your profession, in your friendship, other things, including your relationship with your relatives, anything. Because you have to prioritize yourself. Nobody can blame for you prioritizing yourself. One who gives will always give, and one who takes will always take. And one who takes doesn't know that they are taking a huge chunk of your energy. They will take your energy. Anyway, it's a play of energy. The life is a play of energy in the form of resources, money, or even when you pay attention to a woman. And a woman understands that. A woman thrives in your attention. A woman always seeks attention. It takes a matured woman to appreciate a man and what a man brings to the table. So it is kind of like that. Many women doesn't become women. They are always girls who are looking for attention. And don't fall prey to all these mind games. When you start to play a game like a woman, you are nothing more than a woman. You have to stand in your genuinity and authenticity and let her know what you prioritize in your life. And if she agrees with that, you can club together and have a life. Have a matured life. Not playing around and not testing each other. You don't need to test each other. Life itself is a test. You are a team together who wants to live in this world, avoiding all these tests of this world. You don't need a test from a woman, and a woman doesn't need a test from a man. A man and a woman have to work together to live, winning over all these tests of this world. So you need some level of maturity and experience to understand that, and whatever I am telling you is the pure wisdom that many people won't understand maybe, and it won't appear to be that, what you can say, appealing for people, because people run behind all these flashy things, and men can't resist woman's beauty, and woman can't resist man's money, all these things plays an important role. People don't prioritize what they have to prioritize. They will prioritize all this instant validation and all these things. They are instant pleasures. So once you understand what matters in your own life, you will hit the right spots. And don't play alongside women. It is childish. You have to prioritize what matters in your life. So that's it. I hope you will prioritize what matters for you. Take it.